Welcome, Snack Attackers. My name is Jason, and I have another potentially fantastic product to review for you guys today. But first, I want to remind you to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, all the fun YouTube stuff. Now let's get to talking about this product, but first, first, I'm back. I am back in my studio, in my shooting area. At the time of this video coming out, I am going to have been back for a while, so it's not so exciting. But for me, this is very exciting. I've been gone for 3 weeks, which is not like forever, but it was a long time to attempt to be doing, oh my gosh, I'm fiddling with everything, attempt to be doing this show and all that other stuff. Now, videos were coming out while I was in that location, but that's because I had uploaded them before I left. So I'm glad to be back, and let's move on. In fact, let's talk about something that we already talked about. In fact, it was one of the videos that I shot while I was in the other location. This is one of the new Frankfurt Gummy Lunchables, the Gummy Cracker Stackers. That's right, the Gummy Cracker Stackers. Now, this is by Frankfurt, who did the Kraft Macaroni and Cheese and the Lunchables Gummy Pizza. They have a few more gummy things that we have, but it smells like burning. I turned my oven on. I hope that's not a problem. We shall see. Now, this I think is going to be less exciting than the pizza one. One, there's no sauce, and the tray is 100 calories. Yipers. Provolone type. Cracker. Already have a bite. Pepperoni. I'm gonna get sick. Yes? Oven? Listen, they all taste the same, okay? They really do. We're gonna make a pepperoni, ham, and all the cheeses sandwich. This looks so bad. Why do I gotta do this? I mean, colorfully, it looks good. This I'm gonna count down for. 3, 2, 1. Snack tag. That much gummy was never meant to be consumed at one time. It's not very good. The gummies taste kind of dusty, which is odd, but checks out for Frankfurt. Frankfurt's just not good. Is this fun? Yeah, kind of. What's the most fun for me is just throwing these gummies, because they do kind of like a splort. Okay, that didn't splort. But if you... Well, I got it with the pepperoni. Okay, the circle ones do a splort. It's fun. But honestly, it's not very good. It's a snack attack pass. Out of 10, 3 out of 10. I really do not enjoy it. But the question we ask around here is not, how excited am I to be home? It's so excited. I'm so excited. I don't think I'll ever talk about what I went to do. I did something feedery, and it was fun, but I don't think this channel is kind of the place where I'll talk about it. That being said, if it ever happens that I discuss it, no, I had a really good time wherever I went, but it was emotionally, you know, took a lot out of me. Look at me, I'm tan. I'm never tan. Look at that. This is the tannest I get. You see how pale I still am? That's tan. No, it's none of those things. It's would you buy it again? Absolutely not. I hate it. Thank you very much. Go away now. Remember to Instagram, TikTok, all the fun social media stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.